Hello everyone. Today we will guide you through the process of adding XRP to your Kraken wallet. Whether you are new to Kraken or just need a refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will help you get your XRP safely into your account. So now let's begin. First is access your Kraken. Open your web browser and navigate to Kraken website. Next, enter your username and password to access your account. After that, find the deposit button on the home page. Now, select XRP. In the list of available cryptocurrencies, search for XRP and click on it. Now, if it is your first time depositing XRP, you will need to generate a new deposit address. Click the Generate Deposit Address button. Now, along with the deposit address, a unique destination tag will be provided. This tag is essential for identifying your transaction. After that, go to the wallet or exchange where your XRP is stored. Choose the option to send or withdraw XRP. Now paste the Kraken deposit address and the destination tag into the respective fields. Review the details and confirm the transfer. Now after initiating the transfer, it may take some time for the transaction to be confirmed on XRP network. Now once confirmed, the XRP will appear in your Kraken account. By following these steps, you can successfully add XRP to your Kraken wallet. Always double check the deposit address and destination tag to ensure accuracy. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.